Upgrading to energy-efficient doors is one of the smartest investments homeowners in Taylor can make. Beyond enhancing curb appeal, these doors provide tangible benefits in comfort, savings, and sustainability. Here's how replacing your doors with energy-efficient options can make a difference. Lower energy bills year-round. One of the most immediate benefits of energy-efficient doors is reduced heating and cooling costs. Traditional doors often allow drafts, causing HVAC systems to work harder to maintain indoor temperatures. Energy-efficient doors, often built with insulated cores, weather stripping, and advanced sealing technologies, prevent unwanted air leakage. For Taylor homeowners, where summers can be hot and winters can bring chilly fronts, this added insulation means your air conditioning and heating systems operate more efficiently. Over time, the savings on energy bills can help offset the initial cost of the door replacement. Enhanced comfort in every season. An energy-efficient door creates a more stable indoor climate. Instead of feeling cold drafts in winter or heat radiating from the door in summer, you'll enjoy consistent comfort. Many modern doors use materials such as fiberglass or steel with thermal breaks to reduce heat transfer. For families in Taylor, this means fewer hot spots or cold zones in rooms near entryways, making your home more enjoyable year-round. This improved comfort is especially valuable in open-concept floor plans where doorways play a big role in temperature control. Increased home value and curb appeal. Replacing outdated doors with sleek, modern, and energy-efficient models not only boosts your home's performance but also its market appeal. Buyers today are increasingly aware of energy efficiency and sustainability. A home with Energy Star-rated doors can stand out in the competitive Taylor real estate market. At the same time, updated styles, whether you prefer rustic wooden finishes, modern glass panels, or bold contemporary colors, can refresh your home's exterior. This combination of aesthetic and functional benefits can increase resale value. Improved noise reduction. Energy-efficient doors don't just keep out drafts, they also help block outside noise. Their insulated cores and tighter seals act as a sound barrier, which is particularly beneficial if your home is near busy roads, schools, or commercial areas in Taylor. A quieter home enhances relaxation, improves sleep quality, and creates a more peaceful living environment, making it a subtle but important benefit of upgrading. Better security and durability. Many energy-efficient doors are built with advanced locking mechanisms, reinforced frames, and impact-resistant materials. This means they're not only better at keeping your energy bills down but also at protecting your home. Additionally, high-quality doors are less prone to warping, rotting, or rusting over time, issues that can affect traditional wooden or poorly made doors in Taylor's varied climate. Choosing a durable, low-maintenance material ensures your investment lasts for years. Environmental benefits. By using less energy for heating and cooling, your home's carbon footprint decreases. Energy-efficient doors are often made from sustainable materials or incorporate recycled components, aligning with eco-conscious living. For environmentally minded Taylor homeowners, this means you can enjoy improved comfort and savings while making a positive impact on the planet. Conclusion. Energy-efficient door replacements offer a win-win for Taylor homeowners: lower bills, year-round comfort, increased property value, and reduced environmental impact. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's style, improve its performance, or simply enjoy a quieter, more secure living space, an upgrade to modern, efficient doors is a smart, future-focused choice. By investing in high-quality, energy-efficient doors today, you're not just upgrading your entryways, you're investing in the long-term comfort, value, and sustainability of your Taylor home.